So guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to get back your restricted business account. Right, as you can see on this video, you can't use this business portfolio to advertise. To recover back your restricted account or your ban account on your ads manager or under your business manager or even your page, just come to your business manager and come to your ad account. I'm going to see this message here. Right, just click on see details. Right, so as you can see, this business portfolio has been restricted. We have restricted your business, right? That means you can't run ads with this account, right? And you can't share on the assets with this account. So just click on request review, right? To go to quality section. So you are going to see this screen. So select your country so that you can enter your number and confirm, right? So that you can get back your restricted account. Look for your country here, okay? Then enter your phone number you use for the account, send code. So you have to make sure you enter the code is sent to your WhatsApp or your SMS here. So guys, this is where you now get interested. So that you should upload your ID so that they can verify your identity, right? So just click on upload to upload your ID, right? Okay, so let's just upload an ID now, right? Click on confirm. So you have to make sure you upload your national identity card, the PVC copy, which is a plastic copy. That you use your original Facebook profile. Right, so let's just wait, and in a few minutes our account will be approved. Right, so you see they say that you will hear back from us within 4 days. So within few minutes this account is going to be reinstated. Right, we are going to be able to use this account to run ads. Right, so that's how you basically get back your flagged ads account or your flagged business account on Meta Ads. Right, so if your ad account gets flagged or your page gets flagged, you are going to do the same thing. So just come to this menu here, click on it. Once you click on it, or just click on this setting icon. Once you click on these settings icons, it's going to take to business settings. So once you come to settings, click on page. Once you click on page, once you come to page, you're going to see the issue you have on the page. Just click on the error message. That's going to prompt you to verify your number and upload your ID. All right, that's how you retrieve your page. Then they might tell you to type a review test, to just type few stuff. Why they should reinstate your account. All right, so that's how you do for pages, then ads account, then business assets. That is how you basically do it. Right, sometimes the error is going to display at the top of your screen. Just click on it. That's going to direct you to. It's going to prompt you to enter your phone number, you verify, then you upload your ID, right? And that's how you basically do it. So guys, let me refresh now. As you can see, this account is now active. I can now use this account to run ads. Right, you can see this create button now is now active. Right, and if you come to business manager, you're going to see that there is no error here again. Right, with the same, don't forget this was the same business account that was flagged. Right, now it's back to normal. That is how you basically recover back your account if you get restricted, right? Especially if Facebook just flagged it by mistake. All right, so that's how it's done. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like this video, you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this or Meta Ads. All right, till then I'm going to see you in my next video.